So we have banking working in our app now. This is really exciting. So I want to show you how this works. So this is a user here. They've got $275 in their Happy Money right now. Today they've already gone to Walmart and spent $5. They've got some history in here. Looks like they just set up their budget yesterday, so they had $280 and now they've got $275. In their boxes, they've just got the fixed box. Nothing's happened yet there. In their calendar, they were supposed to have some income of $500. That's what they had planned on yesterday, and they just haven't entered anything yet. And they were supposed to have a bill of $10 that was supposed to happen yesterday. Again, they just haven't entered anything yet. So I want to show you what happens. Right now you can see the little 4. That means there's 4 transactions that the bank brought in. So on this screen, this is where you would add the banking. Like you just click Add Institution, and then in this case, this person banks at Chase, and they pulled in their checking account and their credit card account. And you really only want to pull in the accounts where you spend money from, or where you get money into. So like checking is where this user gets their income, and they spend some out of there, and they also spend some from their credit card. So I noticed that it will also pull up things like your mortgage account and like, I don't know, some of your investment accounts. You don't want any of that in here because it's just going to make things confusing. The purpose of the app is to track your spending and your income, not your investments and your things like that. So this is what the user has and transactions. So looks like the bank pulled in that they've got some money from their employer, a Walmart transaction, a Chevron transaction from today. They went and got some gas, and then a Netflix. So let me show you how you map those to everything. So let's start with this employer one. So that's 507. So they just got some income. So when you click on it, if you go to the bottom, click on calendar, and you can go back and forth on the days here. And if you go back to the previous day, you can see that they had some income that they were expecting was going to happen yesterday. It actually happened today, and it was actually 507.23. So if you click on income, then it's going to fill out everything for you. So that's how you match that transaction to what happened, what you thought was going to happen in the calendar. So in the calendar, I thought I was going to have income of $500 yesterday. In reality, it hit my bank account today, and it was 507.23. So I'm just going to click on that and say, yep, match those up, save it. And now it disappears from here. But if you go click over into the calendar, you can see that it moved it into today, and it made it for 507.23. And the difference went into the fixed box. So I've got 723 that I got added into my fixed box because I underestimated a little bit what I was going to get paid. So the nice part about having the bank do all of that for you is that it pulls in all the values for you. So, and it pulls on the date too of when that thing actually happened. So let's go find another one in here. Transactions, Walmart for $5. So I know that one actually happened already. If I go back over here in my Happy Money, I already put this one in manually. So I'm going to go back over to banking, and I'm just going to delete that one. If you swipe left, you can just delete it because it already happened. You've already got it in the app. It's okay. This other one for Chevron, I did not put that one in yet. So I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to take that out of my Happy Money. You can select whatever boxes you have here. I've only got Happy Money box right now, but if you have other boxes, you can select to have them come out of those. And I'm just going to put it into my Happy Money and say, yep, I spent that. I forgot to enter it into the app. That's fine. The bank caught it for me. So now if I go over to my Happy Money, I've got a transaction for Chevron, and my money goes down a little bit. So it's just helpful so that you don't forget things, because in this case, I'd forgotten that I went to Chevron. I didn't put it in manually. That's okay. The bank let me know, and they put it in there. So let's see. Then this one is Netflix for $9.86. This actually matches up with the calendar. So yesterday, I knew I had a bill for $10, and it actually came in at $9.86. So again, I'm going to match this up with that bill that was in my calendar. I'm going to click Save, and then I'm all out of transactions. I don't have any more for the bank, but now I can see that the bill is checked and it was $9.86 instead of the $10 I thought it was going to be. And then if I go over to fixed, I should see that happening yesterday. And there it is. I got 14 cents that it was off. So that money gets added into my transactions. So that's how you use the banking. It just helps you remember the transactions, and that's how you link them up to the different calendar items and to the Happy Money if that's where you want to put it.